Hey everyone, this is Jeff Packard with People's Power, one of the business partners over here, and we're excited to announce our new affiliate program. This is for people that want to get involved in the solar industry, the movement, but don't want to be a consultant. They don't want to manage projects. They don't want to follow up with people. They just want to produce leads, and that's what this is here for. So let me kind of show you the potential here before we begin and show you the earning potential. But the number of households relying on solar PV is expected to grow from 25 million today to more than 100 million by 2030. And I simply took this from Google. Another thing that you should be made aware of, this is in Arizona, so each state is a little bit different, but a lot of people don't know how much they're actually spending in utility bills over the years, and it adds up to a lot. So according to Energy Sage, Arizona residents can expect to pay $72,400 on electricity over 20 years, which is incredible. So a lot of people just pay the bill and they just expect to pay it, but using the sun is sometimes cheaper. So and a lot more people are switching to solar. So let's kind of talk about the potential here and what we're going to pay people. And all you're going to do is simply produce us the lead. You're going to have to reach out to someone that shared this video with you, and there's an agreement that we have you sign. There's no requirements, so you're not required to send in X amount of leads per month or per week, or even per year. But it just kind of keeps everything legit. And we basically will just pay you from payroll. So you're looking at, let's look at some of the numbers here. So this is a house here in Arizona. Now, I'm just going to give you 3 examples. So let's pull up the calculator, what you would earn. So let's say if you produce this lead to me, or someone on our team that's a consultant, you would get paid $125 times the whatever the size system this is. As you can see here, this one has 44 panels. It's 16.94. You would make 125 times 16.94 equals, you'd make $2,117.50 by referring this project to us. Pretty good, right? So let's look at another one. So this one is this one is an 11.34. So again, we're going to take the 125 and times 11.34 equals 1417. So we'd pay $1,400 on this one. Another one here is, we are looking at this one. Let's look at this one here. This one is a 9.72. Again, we run the calculator. $125 times 9.72 equals $1,200. So you can see there, I mean, more and more people are going solar. So why not take advantage of people that you know that have voiced interest of who do you use? And you can check out our reviews. Our reviews are fantastic, and I encourage you to do that. So I mean, all you have to do is go to here and look at People's Power reviews. And you can see we have them going back 8 years. I'm going to click here, and you can read some of our reviews. Okay. And they're not just all from me, it's from our team as well. I have 2 other business partners, Ken Weiss and Kevin Kennedy, that have been doing this as long as I have, since about 2015. We really know what we're doing, and we can kind of, based on our reviews, just read our reviews if you want to check into it. But then you're looking at where can we sell. So we can sell not only in Arizona, so all the darker green states we can sell. The lighter green states are coming available soon, the gray areas that we're not in. So if you live in one of these states that are dark green, or have someone that has voiced interest in going solar, we can provide them an estimate. And if they go forward, and we'll take the project from A to Z. So we'll follow up with them, we'll get the agreement signed, we'll get the utility bills in, we'll get the permits done, we'll manage the utility. Even after the project, as again, going back to our reviews, you can see that I still stay in touch with people to this day that we've done business 8 years ago. So we'll manage the project after it's done if they have any questions or concerns with their system. So that's it. So again, 125. It's a huge opportunity for people that just want to, dial into the solar, get into the solar industry, but they don't want to be a full-fledged consultant. They don't have the time or the bandwidth to do it. But maybe you are one of those people that do want to become a consultant. We can talk about that too. But for most people, I think this is great. It's a great opportunity to take advantage of this and share solar with other people and get paid for doing it. So hopefully this video makes sense for you. If you have any questions, please reach out or send us a message. Thanks for listening.